Presenting the Amazfit Bip 6 smartwatch 46mm, 14-day battery, 1.97-inch AMOLED display, GPS and free maps, air, Bluetooth call and text, health, fitness and sleep tracker, 140 plus workout modes, 5 atmospheres water resistance, charcoal. It comes in color options of red and black, stone and charcoal. It comes with while the vivid 1.97-inch AMOLED display keeps your data easy to read. It supports all-in-one activity tracking, the Amazfit Bip 6 fitness tracker watch, 24/7 health monitoring, the Amazfit Bip 6 smartwatch and precise, real-time monitoring of heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen and stress. It also has precise tracking of every move and fast GPS connection. It has even under bright sunlight.